In a lush garden nestled between tall trees, a curious cat wandered. Suddenly, the cat encountered a playful tiger cub hiding behind the bushes. The tiger cub approached cautiously, eyes gleaming with intrigue and mischief. The cat twitched its ears, assessing the playful intentions of the tiger cub. In a moment of mutual understanding, the two animals inched closer to play. They frolicked on the soft grass, tails swaying and eyes bright with joy. The cat swiped playfully at the tiger cub, who rolled onto its back. With a gentle pounce, the tiger cub nudged the cat softly with its paw. They chased each other, their laughter echoing through the tranquil garden. Butterflies scattered as the pair dashed across the blooming flowers. The garden seemed even more alive with their playful presence. Sun rays danced on their fur, adding a golden glow to their playful frolic. After exhausting themselves, they rested under the shade of a large tree. Content and happy, the cat and tiger curled up, purring softly. Nature watched over them, a perfect harmony gracing the peaceful garden. Their unlikely friendship blossomed, a testament to joy found in companionship.